Here we come to the freight elevator at the Physics, Math, and Astronomy Building, also known as Robert Lee Hall, UT Austin in Austin, Texas. Now this is what I call a big freight elevator. Let's go on 2. That door over there opens on 3. What we're gonna do is we're gonna look out that back over there during the first trip, and then the second trip, we'll look at the numbers. All right, here we go. All right, here we're at 17. All right, let's go back down the second floor. All right, here we are at the second floor. Second round trip, we will watch the numbers. It's like parts of the bulbs are burned out. numbers 2, 6, and 10 are burned out on the floor indicator. All right, I think we'll go down to 3 this time. I want to look at the freight elevator doors. They definitely repainted this elevator since then. Ha! Look at that. That's so funny right there. Look at that. That's the most funniest face I've ever seen. I mean, there's definitely graffiti on this elevator. There used to be a sign that says freight elevator only, but look at this thing. You can still see the label just visibly a bit, but they literally painted the entire sign over for some reason. There's your ADA phone. I want to show you the freight elevator door. It's made by Otis. And then after that, we'll end the video on 4. I mean, this is definitely one of the slowest freight elevators I've ever been on. Capacity of this thing is 10,000 pounds, but look at this thing. Doesn't seem to be that big. Actually, what we're gonna do is, I'm actually gonna end the video on 2, and I'm gonna show you this thing. Ugh. See, this is out into the loading dock right there. See, look how light these doors are. It's not as heavy than I expected it to be. That's over there. I'm not sure what that building is over there, but we're gonna close this thing back up. All right, where's the? Oh, I have to jump in order. I have to jump in order to pull that strap. Sorry, I did not mean to slam like that. I did not mean to slam that door. I'm sorry, guys. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and get off here. I want to take a quick ride on the passenger elevator. Looks like they replaced that chime on there since I last came here. All right, there it goes. And that was the freight elevator. Let's take a ride on the passenger real quick. I'm sorry I don't really film passenger elevators during this time, mainly because a lot of these elevators are nothing so exciting, and there have already been a lot of videos of the passenger elevators anyways. Looks like the chime is still original. $17. $13 is burned out on the floor indicator because I'm pretty sure the number 13 had a really bad luck that it doesn't want to light up. Bad lucky 13. All right, we're gonna go ahead and end it on the lobby. It's just your basic elevator. Let's see what that sign says. All right, we'll go ahead and watch it close. Or I think it's just gonna stay on peak up. Yeah, it's gonna stay on peak up, so I think I'm gonna set it down one floor. I wanna get it closing. I love that chime. Anyways, look at this nice lobby. Wow, I love this. I love the view of this lobby. Look at this. Oh, we got some escalators here. Nice. I'm gonna get a panoramic view of this lobby here. And after that, I'm gonna go ahead and stop the video from here. All right, well, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and that'll be it.